On this video, I am going to show you everything you need to know about your unit controller main screen. In the title bar, it will show what controller you're currently working with. In this case, it shows I am connected to a VCCX controller. Below the title bar, it displays where this controller was found. In this example, the selected unit was found on loop 1, address 1. To the right, it will show the name of the controller as you have named it. Towards the middle, we have the time and date. Please keep in mind that our controllers have an internal time clock chip that is capable of keeping time and date even when the controller is powered down. However, this controller may have a time from a different time zone. If you're working on a startup, I would highly encourage you to go ahead and click on the time and date so that Prism 2 broadcasts your computer time and date to the controller. Simply click on the time and date. It will take a couple seconds, and now Prism 2 has broadcasted your computer time and date to the controller. To the right of time and date, we have the alarm indicator. If there was currently an alarm, the indicator would be bright red and read alarm. Next, we have the version number. The software version number is very important when talking to our tech support department. If you're having issues with your controllers, our techs will most likely want to know what version number you're working with. Then you have power-ups. Power-ups refers to the number of times that this particular controller has been powered up. If you would like to reset that count, simply click on the number, and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to reset the power-up count? Go ahead and click yes. Prism 2 will now reset the power-ups to 0. Last, we have the unit ID number. The unit ID number is used internally to differentiate our controllers. Now let's look at the main screen itself. We first have the mode of operation. So it could be occupied, unoccupied, or even forced occupied. Then we have the HVAC mode, off mode, vent mode, cooling, heating, or so on. All the data surrounding the screen is live data being broadcasted from the controller. We have 4 buttons towards the top of the screen right below the time and date: Override, Schedules, Holidays, and Detail Viewer. Let's click on Override, and you get to choose between Auto Scheduling, Force Schedule On, or Force Schedule Off. Let's go ahead and click Auto Scheduling. Then we have Schedules. This will give you 2 events per day for every day of the week and 2 events for holiday. Here you will set up your schedule. Then we go to Holidays, where you're going to be able to choose the days that you're going to be following a holiday schedule. You can choose up to 14 holiday periods, and a holiday period is any amount of consecutive dates that you're going to be following a holiday schedule. Let's exit, and let's go to Detail Viewer. Detail Viewer is going to give you a lot more information about your unit. What is it that the unit is doing, and also what is it that the sensors are reading. This is a great tool for training purpose and to show your customer how is it that its unit is working. Let's exit, and let's go to Set Points. Here is going to bring you to the set points and configurations for that controller, but we're going to leave this information for a different video.